Hey, welcome back to Rocco Rides Tesla. I hope y'all are doing well. In this video, I'm going to go over how to control the rear screen in your Tesla if you have a newer Tesla vehicle. The rear screen with the climate, with shows, arcade, etc. So in order to control it from up here in the front, say if you have children or somebody who doesn't know how to use it, it's quite simple. What you do is you go down to the three dots down here on the controls, and you look for the screen that says rear. It says it right here, rear. When you do that, and now you have access to the rear screen. So if you have children in car seats, etc., you have control over that. If you look closely up here, you see this little line at the top. If you drag that down, because I had Netflix up a minute ago, you drag that down. This is kind of the control center. So you can control the seats, you can control the climate back there. See, right now it's turned off, but I can turn that on and control where the fans go. If I have people in the back, I can go to the arcade and put on games. I can go here and say, say I had kids in the back and wanted to put on a Netflix show for them. You can do that. So let's go here. Hit play. Now it's playing in the back. And you can also control, so lock rear display. So now that I disable, okay. So that turns it off if you click lock rear display. So let's go back to Netflix. And also you can control where the speakers are too. So say you're up front and you don't want to listen to it. Right now we have it on rear, so the audio is playing in the back, but it's not up front. I can still kind of hear it, but just want to show you all how this works. So that's pretty neat. You got Hulu, YouTube. Obviously, people probably don't want to watch Tesla tutorials unless they're like me, but just a cool way if you have small children, so you can control what they watch in the back and have control over that. I thought that'd be useful for y'all, and hope you enjoyed the video. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave those below. And if you enjoyed this, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Thank you, and talk to you later.